Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clone the style of Khooni Monday, the storytelling, the visuals, the pacing using AI tools anyone can use. So the first step that you can do is clone the storytelling style. First, you can find a Khooni Monday episode transcript, and here you can just paste it into your AI tools like ChatGPT, Perplexity, or Cloud. So for example, here I'm using Perplexity. You can just paste the script, and after that ask the AI to analyze the tone, pacing, cliffhangers, and also the style. For example, you can go with this prompt: analyze the script and write a similar horror mystery story in Khooni Monday style. So don't copy stories, use the style to create your own original episode. And after that, here you can just clone the voice or use the AI voiceover. You can use tools like 11 Labs, Speechify, or Narkit. So you can just pick a deep, mysterious, dramatic AI voice. So because voice that sound mysterious but still natural, that's the key to the Khooni Monday vibe. And after that, you can use the AI image generator to create visuals, generate the visuals and also scenes. For example, in here I'm using Nano Banana in the Google AI Studio. Here I'm use use the abandoned classroom. For the scene, you can just here, for example, add abandoned dark classroom. You can go with that. So use consistent colors, dark, moody, or red accents, so all your visual feels like one episode. And after you got the visual and the voiceover, you can edit it in your favorite video editor like maybe CapCut, VN, or DaVinci Resolve. You can add slow zooms, subtle VHS noise, or cinematic music. And don't forget to also add text captions with creepy fonts. So don't rush the pacing. Khooni Monday storytelling feels slow, intense, and also dramatic. And don't forget to also add background sound effects like thunder, whispers, or low rumbles to your videos. So that's how you can recreate the iconic Khooni Monday style using AI. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.